Alright, hi guys, I'm Manani and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys about the greater than symbol, the less than symbol, and the equal to symbol. First, I'm going to be just giving a little introduction about this. The second time, I'm going to be going into detail of every little one. So the first time, I'm just going to give a little introduction on what those three symbols look like, and then I'm going to be going ahead and the second time I'm going to be going into detail of every symbol in those three symbols. And then the third time we're going to be filling out a little paper, a little slide. Alright, so let's get started. As you guys know, I like filling out things on Google Slides, so that's what I'm going to do. Greater than, less than, and equal to. Learn about greater than, less than, and equal to signs with Manani. So, this is what a greater than sign looks like, a less than sign looks like, and an equal to sign. Okay? One way that you could think about this is that if there's an L put up here, then this is more similar to this than this, right? It's the same way as an L, except an L looks like this. So if I were to move my body, I would see an L, right? So L, this. These two look similar than just this. So this one looks more similar. So the L would be a less than symbol, and this would be the greater than symbol. So if you're ever wondering about which one's the less than, which one's the greater than, think of it as an L. Go, this is an L, make it this way, it's a less than symbol, okay? So, a greater than symbol looks like this, as I told you, a less than symbol looks like this, and an equal to symbol looks like this. And this means that the equal to symbol means that the two numbers given, this one has, if it has stacked lines, that means both of the numbers have the same value and they are the same number. Alright? These two just mean if there was to have 23 and 36, then 36 would win. That means I would have a less than sign, also known as an L. If I were to have 42 on this side and 23 on this side, and this side would be the bigger one, I would have a greater than symbol. Those are just like the open parts of it, are the sides that, like the open parts, if the open part is facing to one number, that means that number is greater than the other. That's just what it means, but remember, we're going to go into detail about this. So let's start with going to detail about greater than symbols, and this is what a greater than symbol looks like. And as I told you guys, and then the greater than symbol is a symbol that shows the side that the symbol is open. That number is the number that has a greater value, or a greater number. So as I said, this is the greater than sign, and if there is a number over here, like I said, 23 or 36, then the greater than symbol, sorry guys, this one, let's not do this one. Let's do, if there is 26 and 12 over here, then since this is this way, that means we're getting a greater than symbol because this side is greater, so we're putting a greater than symbol. Okay? That's what it basically means. Then what you just learned about greater than symbols, go ahead and talk to a friend, a parent, an adult, your brain, or an object about what you learned about greater than symbols. And I don't want you to just sit there, actually think about it, because it's really going to help you. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys 10 seconds. Alright, it's been 10 seconds, so you should have talked to your partners about it. So now let's move on to the next. So now let's talk about a less than symbol. Exactly. Now let's talk about a less than symbol. A less than symbol is a symbol that shows the side that is open. The number on the side will be the greater number. As I said, if this side is open, whoa, sorry guys. If this side is open, this side is the side that's open, and there's a 36 over here and a 23 over here, we would have a less than symbol because 36 is greater than 23. So it's basically saying that the side that this is open to would be the greater number, the side that the gap is, but the side that would be this side would be the less number. The leader wouldn't be as great, this one would be greater, this would be less than. Okay, now what you just learned about greater than, just like you talked about greater than, now talk about less than for 10 seconds. All right, it has been 10 seconds. If you needed more time, you could have always paused the video. So now let's talk about our equal to sign. The equal to sign is a sign that shows both of the numbers are the same. This sign should only be used to, should only be put up if both of the numbers have the equal value. So let's say I have 36 up here and 36 up here, then we would have an equal to sign because both of these numbers are the same and they both have the same value. So we would put an equal to sign. This one's a little easier to think about because we just know it's equal to. The other ones, it's a little complicated because learning which one's the L, which one's greater than, but I think this explained pretty good. So now talk about the equal to sign with anybody, a friend, parent, adult, brain, or object on an object, and you have 10 seconds. All right, it's been 10 seconds. Let's move on. So this is the last thing we're gonna do. We're just gonna be filling out this little area. Okay, so we're gonna look at this, okay? We're just gonna figure out which one is bigger. Okay, so we're gonna figure out the bigger value, which one's what. So let's look at this one first. 24 and 36, guys. Which one would be greater? Would 24 be greater or would 36 be greater? Let's think. Yeah, 36 is greater. So which sign would go? This one, or this one? Well, we know if the thing makes an L and it faces the open side faces the right, that means it's a less than sign. So we're gonna put our less than sign here. That means we have talked about this. And now let's move on to the next one. 34 and 34. Now you really got to think about this one. Think which one the sign would it be? Yes, it would be the equal to sign because both of these numbers are the equal value and both of the numbers are the same. Now let's talk about this one. Okay, well we already know it's this one, but let's really think about it. Why would it be the greater than sign? Because 356 is greater than 355 and it has a greater amount of value than 355. So we know that this symbol goes there. Alright. Guys, I hope you guys had a nice time learning about this with me. And just make sure you subscribe, like, and share my video with people, and have a great day. Bye.